Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about three ways in which you can manage robotic and human workforce. I'm Abhinav Sabharwal and I'm Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you are new here, make sure to click subscribe button and get notified about our upcoming videos. When implementing robotic process automation, the goal is to improve efficiency, speed, and accuracy. Once programmed or scripted, unattended RPA automations can perform rule-based tasks consistently, accurately, and faster than humans until they don't. RPA, like any software, can break. If there's an automated software update, example Microsoft's UI change in application, or a change in a database schema, the robot will stop working. Or there's a spike in a particular task and your bots are maxed out. What do you do now? Organization needs to keep human employees performing a certain percentage of automated tasks to ensure they retain tribal knowledge of how it's done. Never hand off 100% of transition to RPA. Keep employees doing percentage of work to ensure you can create when there's a problem or handle work overflow to ensure work is completed and your customer service goals are met. The first way in which we can manage robotic and human workforce together is to orchestrate the workflow between robots and human employees. In most organizations, simple process flows have been automated with straight through processing in the industry or functional specific business process management systems. What typically remains complex, multi-touch, multi-step processes that have exceptions or potential variations in how the work gets automated. For these processes, some subtasks can be automated. However, there are points where human intervention or decision making needs to take place. So, how do you effectively move work between RPA robots and human employees? How do you make sure you are not holding up the human or robot from performing the next step in the process? How do you factor in your robotic workforce when creating your capacity plans? Here, you can use the RPA tools to capture work from multiple systems, prioritize the work, and provide real-time historical business intelligence so organizations can understand how well the work is being executed and if efficiency and service goals are being met. Most RPA tools and your robotic workforce simply become under team or employee category in the solution. It allows you to manage in a single interface workloads of both your RPA robots and employees, as well as movement of the work between groups. Second way is to measure and manage combined workforce. Should you measure the performance of your RP robots? And while they may have some similar performance matrices, example, number of items processed and the percentage of time in production, exceptions or the goals will be different. Let's take a number of items processed. It may only take a robot 20 seconds to perform a task and human employee 60 seconds. So their goal for handle time or a number of items processed will be different. The ability to set fair and appropriate goals for humans and robots will also highlight document where you are capturing efficiency and speed benefit of RPA. Let's take percentage of time in production. Employees typically perform myriad tasks and they take breaks, have one-to-one meetings with their bosses, participate in meetings and training, etc. They are not expected to spend 100% of their time in production. Likewise, a robot could potentially spend 100% of its time in production if there's enough volume of the work task they are programmed to do. If they are waiting on the work to come from, say, another department, then the robot will have downtime too. The goal for that downtime or shrinkage would be different for humans versus robotic workers. Third, focus on automation's end-to-end impact. You hear a lot in the RPA marketplace today about a lack of scalability. The piece that is missing is the ability to identify potential automation tasks that span across functional groups within an organization. Most automation ideas are generated by individual or team doing a particular piece of transaction. The recommendation is made in isolation without understanding downstream or upstream impact of the automation on customer or the organization broader operational efficiency goals. Or organizations may rely on their Six Sigma and business process improvement experts to ferret about automation opportunities in their organization. This is a very expensive and time-consuming endeavor at the beginning of your RPA automation journey that can postpone capturing the ROI of RPA for months. So, how can we automate this pre-work? The process discrete softwares are now available that can be placed on desktops and watch everyone on a team or department or what a team or department is doing. It captures which applications they are going into, how they navigate them, where they click. Using sophisticated algorithms and AI, the solution identifies commonality between employees and creates proposed process maps for the related tasks. The map can be validated or refined by the actual processors or SMEs. Perhaps the starting point is 2 steps earlier than automation discovery suggests. You can quickly modify and then automate the process. Automation discovery will adjust the process maps and related recommendations. Notably, the solutions provide a wealth of data to help make up the decisions on what processes to automate or which processes are easier to automate. And other things such as process variations, how many process variations are there, how many times the process was executed, people who performed the processes, steps and hands off and where they were. The solutions like process service solutions automatically present a prioritized list of automation opportunities for processes observed. In addition, these processes map can automate the creation of scripts associated with automation opportunities. Process discovery software is a powerful tool and a more scalable way to identify automation opportunities across departments and the entire customer journey.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for a free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.